I just finished welding the chassis. As you can see, yeah, pretty much everything needed to be welded, all the rust, all the holes are gone. Now we have the solid chassis. It needs to be blasted. So I have this chassis blasted.
This will tell you how damp his shed is. All that rust.
It is damp. It's Ireland, so everything is damp in Ireland. So that makes it even more important to have it epoxy prime. I don't know if I showed it before. I have the chassis painted with the epoxy primer. Now all the edges will be cleaned. Take off the masking tape. Put the weld through primer on it. Test fit the floor. Paint the floor. Spot weld the floor on it. And so pretty much we are at this stage. So I finally finished welding the chassis, and that's the primer on it. Now all that's left just to weld on the floor. So now the floor is upside down, and I painted it already, so there's a paint in the closed, in the closed profiles. So all I'm doing now, taking off the paint where the floor is gonna meet the chassis, and put the weld through primer on it, and then spot weld it or plug weld it to the chassis, and happy days, I hope. So I have the floor prepared for to weld it on. I'll be using this device to make the holes. So I'm back at the project. This is I started to spot weld the floor. A good bit of welding ahead of me, but the chassis is nearly completed. That's the last element to go on the chassis. 3 elements. Need to clean this out first, give it a lick of paint, and that goes somewhere here, I guess. Here. Not sure. Goes somewhere anyway. It's here. So it goes here because that's where the handbrake cables goes out. So this goes here. Nice and heavy. This goes here. This goes here. The other way. Here. And once those three elements are welded, it's going to be final coat of the primer.